Hello, welcome my Western Civ 105 class to this cram course. So first of all, I just want to say that I'm really happy to have you guys as my students. I am very much a professor that likes to be at your service, okay? So I want you to be rest assured that I'm going to be here for you. What I need you to do is make sure, though, that you're actually calling me or texting me more than you're sending me emails. Right now I'm having this problem that just came up as well, that I think that my account got hacked. I'm going to mention this in several places because I have no idea what the repercussions of this is going to be. I want you to be cautious again throughout the semester about anything that looks fishy coming from me. So sending emails is not always a bad thing, but right now texting is going to work well, and calling me. And I just want to say that I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I work full-time, or almost full-time, at another job at a child education center, and so and I'm a single dad, so I'm very busy. And I work usually chunks between Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, like 10 to almost 11, 12-hour days. Those are the hardest days to get a hold of me, but please text or call if you. Anyways, perhaps at my lunch break I can get a hold of you. I did that before. The best days will be time to get a hold of me will be Fridays and Mondays, which are usually days that I sit down and focus on grading and doing things for my class. But you can call or text me 7 days a week. I'm just telling you the times that are best to get a hold of me, and other times that it might be a little bit more difficult. Okay, so I just want to make that clear. The other thing is, this is a cram course. And I say this every time to all of my students, that I can't stress enough that you need to really get this through your head, that this is a cram course. Cram courses are brutal, okay? Especially when they're survey courses. We're not just going over like U.S. history where we stay in one location and we move on decade to decade to decade. I'm going to be going over Western civilization, some very important and critical sets of events that help us have an understanding of what this means, Western civilization. And we're going to just cram it into a month, okay? And that means each week we're doing on average 3 chapters. You're looking at the syllabus and you're probably a little scared. You should be scared, but don't be overwhelmed, in the sense that scared only enough to be ready, okay? The way I set things up are very consistent. What most students find, if they are going to make my class a priority and realize, oh, we got 1 month to get this done, which is usually in a semester, several month period, and you're going to commit to this and you're going to realize this is your religion, this is your cult, this is your life for a month, and then boom, and then you're done. You're done after this, okay? So really, I don't want to be blasphemous. I'm not asking you to give unwarranted devotion to me or this class, but you need to realize, like, no, this is a class you're going to have to really take serious and stay focused on. And I have to do the same thing. I mean, this is a lot of work for me and for you, and then we're done, okay? So I just want to get that clear. I do understand life circumstances. As I mentioned, I'm a single dad. That obviously means that, I understand a lot of things, just like many of you out there. Many of you are parents, sometimes single parents, sometimes having families. Whatever, I don't care. I understand. You got to communicate with me, though. And you have to realize that getting behind 1 week in this class is like getting behind several weeks for a normal period. So you really need to do your best to stay on top of things. If you're getting behind, the best thing to do is to contact me and let's see what we can do, okay? I can't promise anything. I don't know what the circumstances are yet, but if you contact me, I will do my best to be workable, okay? Now, having said that, what are we going to do? We are going to cover the crucial points of Western Civ, and what I am trying to do is, since it's a survey already, and we're doing it in the cram course, I'm trying to pick out what I think would be the most crucial and important things for you to know or be aware of when it comes to Western civilization from the section. I expect you to read the textbook as much as you can, of course. When I say that, I mean mind the text, look through it, and sometimes you might want to gloss through it, but I want you to be familiar with the text. My lectures that I put on through the Screen-O-Matic are going to be based on the assumption that you've read the text first. Okay? That is the best way that I can kind of hone in on certain points and complement what you're learning from the text. Okay? So I'm not going to be one of those professors that goes off topic. I'll be very much on topic. The relationship with the text and my lectures will be consistent, but I will try to add things that the text is not giving you. Okay? I'm going to give you documentaries and other lectures to watch that will help maybe complement what I think would be the best for your learning in this regards. So that's how it's going to be set up. If there's any questions about what's going on, again, please let me know. I'm sorry about the glare on this. Anyways, I'm looking forward to us starting.